What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So there has been a lot made about the new iPhone 16e and Apple's first C1 modem that's in this. And what we're going to be doing is putting this baby to the test on some speed tests with the 16e and the 16 Pro Max that uses obviously what Apple's relied on for years, that being those Qualcomm modems. We'll put these to the tests on Wi-Fi and 5G. They are both running on my T-Mobile SIM cards, and let's truly see on this very small test how well the C1 modem operates. Apple has downplayed it to try not to create any sort of massive comparisons, as you would assume that could happen with things like this. They did make a quick slide outlining these things for what could be done and all of that, but the power gains here leave a lot of hope for what that iPhone 17 Air or whatever that new super slim iPhone is going to be called this year. So it's very exciting to see not only battery savings, but performance that might match it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and run these speed tests over Wi-Fi and 5G, like I said, using the speed test app. And as you can see right here, we're connected to the same servers in Orlando. And I'm very curious to see how this acts, mainly because I want to give you a call out. The iPhone 16 Pro Max also can take advantage of Wi-Fi 7, where the 16e cannot, and we do have a Wi-Fi 7 router, so as an extra piece of information here, keep in mind that you are not future-proofing your devices by getting a 16e if you hold onto your devices for a number of years. So let's go ahead and start these at the same time and hope they even both complete. I know right off the bat you're going to be able to see on the 16 Pro Max how quick it kicks in to a higher download stream. Looks like we're hovering a little over 500 megabits per second on this one. And then on the actual 16e, still running the test, it is comparable at 500 as well. Now, as you can see here, we are already complete on the Pro Max at 731 megabits per second, reserved down here to only 285. So let's go ahead and close these out and run it one more time and then go to 5G. So it looks like the 16 Pro Max is hitting those higher speeds quicker, but the 16e is no slouch and did pick up near the end of this test as well, again, for very comparable numbers, and it looks like it's actually going to beat it out a little bit here. As you can see, the upload test did finish already at 780 megabits and then 273. So the upload has been consistently different here. Now let's go ahead and turn off Wi-Fi on both these devices and see exactly what this will do for us. So we'll close out these tabs. And as you can see here, T-Mobile 16 Pro Max, 5G ultra wideband on both, and then 3, 2, 1. This should be an interesting test as well. Look at that, the 16 Pro Max is cruising back up to 500 megabits and passing it, where the 16e is hovering only about at 100. And then now we're going to see the upload speed, again, complete, much quicker than what you got on the 16e. And this test is almost complete here on both devices. The 16e picked back up very quickly and actually beat it finishing. So here we go. First 5G ultra wideband test. Download 549, upload 27.8, and then download only 101 on the 16e, but the upload did beat it very minorly at 29 megabits. So let's run this one more time. And again, we know these are not very specific tests, and let's make sure the servers match again this time. This moved to the Jacksonville server. This is still finding an optimal server. Let's give it a second here. Again, very small test, and it did match up here. So small sample size. Again, especially with cellular service, it's all going to depend on your location and your carrier. But as you can see, it is holding its own, which is very impressive. Again, though, the Pro Max is just destroying it in download speed consistently. Now, what's interesting is the 16e has beaten it, finishing these tests over cellular, whereas the Pro Max beat it over Wi-Fi. And again, you can see the download speeds substantially different yet again on these tests, but the upload speeds are seemingly going to be right on par again. So there you go. Quick, simple video for you guys today. Let me know what you guys think. I think the C1 is definitely going to be a capable modem in the new Air. And as I've been able to tell recently with the 16E, battery life has been awesome with this. Haven't seen any extra dead zones or anything of concern. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of these tests? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.